Good evening, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday, March the 4th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles left: Jigsaw Sudoku. But you are interested in the binary puzzle, yes. It's binary time. And this one will be number 8126. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, 15 printed digits. Well, 15, tough one. The more printed digits will be difficult. More easier. But 15, yeah. Well, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. Let me check. Let me check first. Friday, Monday, Friday, Saturday. I need to check first the Saturday edition. Yeah. No, it's not the same. I thought it was the same in the Saturday edition. It's not the same. Okay. 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column. There are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. We solved again. Without comparing. Yeah, 15. I need to remember 15. Less, then it will be difficult. More will be easier. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.